Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Golden, and in this video we'll be seeing how to create Photoshop shortcuts. So have you ever been in this scenario where, due to some things, for me it was when a specific key on my keyboard wasn't working properly, and I usually use that key to create a specific shortcut in Photoshop, but I needed to get a new shortcut. So what do you do in that case? To make life easy in Photoshop, shortcuts come in very handy. Instead of you to go, drag and select whatever you want to select, even though it may be nested. Yes, so how do you do this easily in Photoshop? Well, it's actually very simple, and here's how. So on my layers panels now, we have this text and Photoshop logo, and later on I'm going to modify this text using a shortcut we'll create. So first, to get to your shortcuts, just go up here to your tools here. I want you to go to edit on your toolbar, edit here, and then go down to keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Windows, it should be Alt Shift Control K. So once you click that, it's going to open up this dialog box, and make sure that application menus is selected here. Now you can select whatever you want to do. For example, if you want to make a shortcut for specific image adjustments, maybe you want an image to be grayscale. When you click it, you just select image and then grayscale, and then you could add your shortcut. But in my case, I want to create a shortcut to turn any layer into a smart object in Photoshop. And if you've used Photoshop for a certain amount of time, you remember that the smart object is under filter, right? So we're going to select filter here, and I'm just going to select smart filters here, right? So smart filters, remember, we enable you to preserve whatever effects or filter you use on that specific layer. So to create my shortcut, I'm going to use the shortcut Control Q or Command Q, and I'm just going to press the key bindings on my keyboard, and that should register it here. If this is the wrong shortcut that you've written here, you could always undo it by clicking the undo, or deleting it entirely. So I'm okay with mine. So anytime I press Control U, my current layer will be converted to a smart filter. So let me accept it, and I'm going to press OK. So let's see if this works. So normally before, if I were to convert to a smart filter, I will have to go to filter and then convert to smart filter. But now, since I've created a shortcut, I want you to look at the layers panel on this text. I'm going to press Control Q, and now we see it's a smart filter. So remember, smart filters are just like smart objects, and they allow you to non-destructively apply effects and other things to your specific layers. So yes, that's how to use shortcuts, to create shortcuts, to modify shortcuts in Photoshop. Also, just one more thing before you go. Sometimes while trying to create shortcuts, you may see that the shortcut is available. It's currently used maybe by default in Photoshop. For example, let's see here. So if you go to edit, you will see undo is Control Z and redo Shift Control 0. So these kind of things, if you want to change them by default, you will need to come here and do so. And also remember to take note of those shortcuts. So yes, that's it. That's how to easily create keyboard shortcuts in Photoshop. If you appreciate this video or learned something new, please leave a like, consider subscribing. Also leave a comment below telling me what you would love me to feature next on the channel. I'm still working on the Photoshop course. I think it should be I should start uploading later this month. Yeah, so thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.